Welcome to this Zen meditation and day 5 of the 30-day meditation challenge. So Zen meditation, or Zazen, is an ancient Buddhist meditation technique. And this is one of the few meditation techniques where we will actually keep our eyes open. Because Zen meditation is all about being in the present, seeing the world for what it is, self-observing, without judgment. Okay, so you can sit cross-legged, or if you want to, you can sit on your knees with your pillow in between here. Up to you, or a chair, that works as well. Straighten the spine and tuck in the shin. You don't want your eyes to be fully open, because then there will be distractions in your environment, which is not good. And you also don't want it to be fully closed, because then you can get into a dreamy state, which we don't want either. So just have your eyes half open. All right, and then with the palms of the hands. So you want your dominant hand. So for example, if your dominant hand is right hand, you want to keep your left hand in the palm of your right hand, and vice versa. And then keep it in your lap. And then you want your thumbs to be lightly touching, so you have like an oval shape here. So just rest that in your lap. And what we will do is we will count to 10. So you will inhale, and on every exhale, you count. So 1, inhale, 2, inhale, 3, up to 10, and then you start over. And let's say that you forget and suddenly you are on 35. Then what you just do is you start over. All right, so let's start the meditation. So have your eyes lightly open and focus on a point in front of you. Inhale, exhale, count to 1. Inhale, exhale, count to 2. And repeat. 3, up to 10. And if you forget which number you're on, just go back to 1. Breathe in and out through the nose and count to 10. Don't try to force your breath. Just let it be natural. Just be in the present moment. Keep counting to 10. And if you feel an itch, just without judgment, go back to the counting. Don't beat yourself up if you forget which number you're on, or if you counted too far. Just go back to 1 and keep going. now slowly sway a bit. Sway your upper body from side to side. And massage your legs a bit to wake them up. Thanks so much for joining me for this Zen meditation. It will get easier the more often you do it. I know it's hard now in the beginning, but let me know in the comments what you thought about the Zen meditation, and have a beautiful day.